Hey guys, Mom and Son Train Rail fans coming to you from the Union South Station in Springfield. We are getting ready to get on a bus to Boston and catch our flight home. Did you have fun at the train show, Ray? Yeah? What did you say this morning? You're ready to go home, aren't you? There's no place like home. But we saw this really cool mural on the wall that we thought we'd take a picture of. It's really cool. But we are getting ready to walk down to where we're going to catch our bus, and we will take a picture when we get there. Bye, guys.